So what we can do here is we'll go by the traditional way. This x stays over here. There will be transposition of 24 will go on that side, plus 2x transposition will take place. It will come on this side. It will become minus 2x. 22 is there, plus 24 becomes minus 24. So minus x is equal to minus 2, which implies that x equal to 2. Both the sides, this minus got cancelled. So x equal to 2. So is that the answer? In this case, this is the answer. X equal to 2 years. So after 2 years, Medha's age will be twice as the age of her brother. Okay. Now we will be doing questions on mensuration. Okay. So following will be the problems on mensuration. So the first question will take the length of a field exceeds its breadth by 5 meter. If the breadth is increased by if the breadth is increased by 12 meter and length is decreased by 5 meter, then the area of field is increased by 140 meter square. You need to find the length and breadth of the field. Okay. So since the question is saying that the length of a field exceeds its breadth by 5 meter. So you see students, length of a field exceeds means is greater than. Okay. Greater than, exceeds means anywhere exceed is written, you can cut it and you can write greater than. So now read it. The length of a field is greater than its breadth by 5 meter. So they're talking about this. Length of a field is means equal to greater than its breadth by 5 meter. Greater than by its breadth means length is equal to breadth plus 5 meter. Okay. So if we are taking the length as x, let the breadth as be x. Let the breadth be x meter. Okay. Because the length is dependent on breadth, correct? If breadth is 0, length is 5. Breadth is 1, length is 6. Breadth is 2, length is 7. So the value of length will vary based on the breadth. So the breadth has to be taken as x meter. Therefore, length is equal to x plus 5, right? So this is our equation 1. They're saying that if they are increasing the breadth, look at the question, if they are increasing the breadth by 12 meter, so new breadth, if they are increasing the breadth by, if they are increasing the breadth by 12 meters. So breadth is equal to x, new breadth is equal to x plus 12, correct? Meter. Acha, students, here what will be the area of this field? Original area, x into x plus 5. Am I correct? Length into breadth, correct na? Huh? So new breadth is equal to x plus 12 meter, and the length is decreased by 5 meter. So new length is equal to, what is the length? Length was x plus 5, correct? So it is original length, and then this length is decreased by 5, means x plus 5 minus 5 means this is x meter. Okay. So what is the new area? Length into breadth, new length into new breadth, x into x plus 12, correct? Length into breadth. Meter square, right? Here also this is meter square. New area is this into this meter square. Okay. So what they're saying finally, that the area of the, if this is done, if the breadth is decreased by 12, increased by 12 meter, and the length is decreased by 5 meter, then the area of the field is increased by 140 meter square. Means new area, this new area will get increased by 140 meter square. So according to the question is saying that if this new area is 140 meter square greater than the original area, so new area minus original area is equal to 140 meter square. So what is your new area? X into x plus 12, correct? Minus original area was x into x plus 5, correct? This was the original area. This is equal to how much? 140, because this new area is greater than 140 na? So if you subtract both of them, you will be getting 140 meter square. So now x into x is x square plus 12, correct? X minus I'm doing this entire operation into bracket first, and this minus I've kept it outside, right? X into x is x square. Since this negative is outside, this x will be treated as positive x. Positive x into x is x square. This negative is taken outside. I've taken it common outside, not common, I've taken it outside. So this x will be treated as positive x. Suppose this minus x is there. Can't I write it as minus into plus x? Same thing, na? So I just taken minus outside. So plus x is there. Plus x into x is x square. Plus x into 5 is 5x. Is equal to 140 meter square. X square plus 12x minus, and this is plus minus, so minus x square minus plus minus 5x is equal to 140 meter square. X square is gone. 12x minus 5x is 7x is equal to 140, which implies that this is ax is equal to b, correct? This is of the form ax is equal to b. So what will happen? B is equal to x is equal to b by a. So x is equal to b. What is b? 140. What is a? 7. X is equal to 20. They're asking you that find the length and the breadth of the field. So the length and breadth of the field are, length is equal to, what was the length? Breadth was x, right? What was the length? Length is x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5. What is the value of x? 20. 20 plus 5 is 25 meter. And what about the breadth? Is x is equal to 5 meter. That is the answer. Okay.